There's no place like home for the holidays, if you can get there. 'Tis the season of elevated airfare prices and crowds of holiday travelers. However, there's hope on both fronts if you're willing to book strategically. But how do you figure out which days will let you save money and avoid the crowds? Don't worry, we are here to help. Here are the dates to avoid if you want to steer clear of packed planes and sky-high airfare. The busiest travel days for Thanksgiving are consistent since it's always on a Thursday. Most non-retail and non-food service businesses, as well as schools, close both for the holiday and Black Friday. Historical data from Skyscanner confirms that the day before Thanksgiving is typically the busiest travel day of the year. Data from Hipmunk shows that the Monday before Thanksgiving typically offers the best fares and smallest crowds for holiday travelers. Traveling on Monday also gives you a few spare days in case winter weather interferes with your flight. Thanksgiving Day itself is usually the most cost-effective travel option, while Black Friday is the best time to head home to beat the rush. Other days to avoid include the following Saturday and Sunday. These days are sure to be a hassle with the crowds. The Christmas travel schedule can be a bit trickier to pin down, as the day of the week that it falls on changes from year to year. This year it falls on a Wednesday, so school breaks and business closures may vary. As with most holidays, the cheapest time to travel is on the holiday itself. The Sunday following Christmas is one of the more expensive days to fly, with many travelers leaving their destinations at the last possible moment before heading back to work and school. Overall, the best times to travel are Tuesday, December 24th, Wednesday, December 25th, and Saturday, December 28th, while the worst travel days are predicted to be Saturday, December 21st, Sunday, December 22nd, and Sunday, December 29th. Honorable mention for the worst travel time goes to the Friday before Christmas, which according to Cheap Air will see some of the highest fares of the season. Thanks for watching! Like this video and subscribe to SmarterTravel's YouTube channel for more expert tips. Happy holidays from the SmarterTravel team, and safe travels!